Hello everybody. Sorry I haven't been, well, I did post like 2 days ago. So today we are going to be playing the Underground War, and let's get started with it. Now. Okay. Lower the volume. Or just like mute it. Now let's see if we can capture the flag. And yeah. So basically guys, it's time to get started playing. And we're in red team. So we don't have our flag over here. So basically they're probably camping until the next round. I don't know why. Still have like a million tries to get it. So yeah, it really doesn't matter. By the way guys, if you're wondering how I got all this, you go to swords, guns. Well, basically, well, I don't know how to get it, but it is for like, let me see. Okay guys, I don't know why they're attacking us. We don't even have a, okay, finally our flag is here. I had no idea what happened to it. Okay, sorry, the volume's like super loud. Okay, time to try to see if we can get the flag. Let's just try to get the goodest player. Come on, sniper! No, she's right health. Yes. Okay. Moment of truth. Okay guys, this is really stressful. You really don't know how stressful this is. Let's go! We're in their base. We're everywhere. Go! Protect me, girl! Protect me! Let's go! I got the flag. Let's go. Run. There's no time to pause. There's no time to do anything. Dude, get him! Okay, he's down. Oh god, they're aiming. I gotta run. Oh my god, guys. Really play this game? And it's super stressful. Like right now, I am in my PC. Hopefully they don't even get me. Boom! I captured their flag. Okay, now let's go up this tower. I don't know what she was expecting, technically. Okay, now let's see if I can get their flag just once more time. One more time, and if we fail, I'll just end the video. Sorry for making my videos really short. It's because dumb school. Nobody likes school. Comment down below if you guys like school, cause I know everybody would say no. But we also gotta respect other people's opinions. Oh god, did I just like snatch his wig off? Okay, it doesn't matter. Gotta dig our way there. Okay. Let's go now. Oh god, it's just noobs. Do you guys even like when noobs are, you think that they're actually noobs, but then they're not like a noob? Did you just think that? Oh god, I don't want to use my medical kit though. Okay, let's go protect that girl. You little imp! He is so pointless. Okay guys, sorry, but I'm gonna have to end this video over here. At least we got 1 point over here. GG. Okay guys, so hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, comment down below for like some more things, like more games I should play. If you guys want to friend me, here is my username. I'll link it in the description below. And yeah, bye. See you later, guys.